Hello and welcome to Ellen's Crochet channel. Welcome back my subscribers, and to my new subscribers, I appreciate you stopping by and deciding to hit the subscribe button, and hopefully you will hit the bell and be notified when I go live, because I have been doing a few lives on Tuesdays, generally at 6 p.m. So haven't scheduled next week yet, but I will be. So let's get into what today's show is about. Well, it's not a show, it's my video. So Charlotte is done. If you missed my live or if you missed my short, this is a crochet along with Dawn Aaron's Loving Hands. Yes. Okay, and the pattern, this is the pattern, and I've shown it before on my channel. It's the Charlotte pattern by Agnieszka Reduch. Okay, it's a paid for pattern on Ravelry. I'm pretty sure I paid for it. But Charlotte is done. I did her with a short sleeve, almost like a not three-quarter, like a half sleeve. But I just love the way she came out. Okay, and this was done in the Hirschner's mill ends. And you can go watch, you know, if you watched along on my channel, you'll see how she came about. So if you feel intimidated by doing a pattern like this, you can make a wearable. And I have done many videos on my channel when I delved into beginning making wearables. I do enjoy making wearables. So on yesterday's video, I had worn my Peonies top, which I lovingly call my Peonies top. And that is this sweater. It's a spring. It's basically spring. Okay. And it's actually one of my favorite wearables. I'm thinking I'm going to make another one this pretty soon because I just love this top. It's very comfortable, easy to work up, and I just love it. So let me tell you about how I made what I call my Peonies top and why I call it my Peonies top. Peonies is one of my favorite flowers. And I had gotten this yarn, I think in a mystery box. I'm not really sure. But this is Manos de Uruguay Sammy, okay? And the color is actually Peonies. Okay, it's pretty sure it's 100% superwash merino, 233 yards per 100 gram, hand wash or machine wash dry flat. Beautiful color of Peonies. I just love this yarn. It's beautiful to work with. And I think I probably used maybe 3 hanks. I'm not really sure. Because you know, I made this last spring and I wore it very often. I do put it in a one of those mesh bags, okay, and I wash it on gentle, and then I hang it up or lay it flat on I have one of those drying racks. But yes, so I love this top. This pattern is actually this top, I should say, I made from a pattern tutorial on Crystal Bag O'Day's channel. I will link it below. I think it was the Easy Something top. I did make a few changes to it with the neckline, and I did add some ribbing on the bottom. There is, and I also link my video where I explained how I made this top. Very easy, as I said, if you wanted to make a wearable and you haven't made one before, this is a great beginner pattern tutorial. I'm not sure if she has a pattern for this on her Etsy shop, because she does have some patterns on her Etsy shop, but there is a free tutorial on YouTube to make the sweater top. You can make it a long sleeve, you can make it sleeveless, but as I said, so if you want to delve into making a wearable, which you feel maybe a little intimidated, by the Although I have to say, this is an intermediate pattern. It wasn't very difficult, but for somebody that's new, you can make a wearable. Okay, so I will link both below. And yeah, so that's my video for today. And hope you are enjoying your week. And I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye now.